guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I would like it if you would like, comment, and most importantly subscribe and join the family. In today's video we are gonna be doing a wash and go on an old chunky twist out that was put in this puff. So let's get on into the video. So I've had this hair for about a week maybe, so I'm gonna take down this puff that I had created. Actually, let me just take this down. Oof. Yeah, so yeah, major TLC needed. Major TLC needed. Yeah, let's get into it. Right. Okay, so we're gonna be starting off on this hair. I'm gonna separate this section. I'm gonna separate this into, yeah, I'm gonna do like a back section since I don't want it to be so yeah, I'm gonna be separating the back of the hair into a smaller section so that I could wear the product through it easily to get the most definition. So what we're gonna do now is take a small section of the hair, take a small section, and we're gonna clip away the rest of the hair. Then what we're gonna do is spray that hair with some water until it is fully drenched. And then we're gonna comb through the hair since this was another style before. What we're gonna do is take our gel and we're basically gonna take a small amount at first and rake it through the hair, just like that. You see that definition already? And I'm gonna take another one and rake it through the hair. There we go. Rake it through that hair. So these are what my curls are looking like, and this is what we're gonna do for the rest of the hair. So keep on watching and I will show you the end result. Okay guys, so this is the finished result of this wash and go, from a chunky twist out to a wash and go. I really liked this, seeing that this is my first time doing a wash and go on my own hair. So I want y'all to tell me what are y'all's thoughts towards this wash and go, and this is the back view of it. And that is the end of this video. I want y'all to like, comment and subscribe, and tell me your thoughts down below and what videos you guys want to see from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
The next day.
Hi guys, I just wanted to come on here real quick to show you my day 2 here, my wash and go, and this is the final dried result, well, after one night's sleep. But yeah, this is day 2.